Kotkankatu, Kotkankatu 8. This is the only stick, isn't it?
Yeah.
As we should finish outside as it should be heavy, 6 fixtures here. Also it's in Alpi, Alpi, Helsinki and sports rules in Finland.
Sweden.
Yeah, Sweden, yeah. Has this more interesting shape also, a bit rare. That's also something that is done sometimes. It was built in 1967, it's in British 1469 here. And also this panel is switch and finish, it's everywhere here.
Yeah.
Let's take the rides here. I love the sound and smell it.
Same. Niin splitbike vai sitten maintain machine.
I'm guessing this could be at the beginning of 1967 because it has that all the type of photo.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's
Thank you very much for watching.